Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone Y300 5G with diamond-cut titanium inspired design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.67 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 91.9% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 1800 nits local peak brightness, and with 120 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 sensor main camera with aperture 1.79. Along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4 and AI Aura Light with dual LED flash, 4. Selfies. It has 32 megapixel front-facing camera with aperture 2.45, video recording maximum 1080p. At 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 1.95 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB of extended RAM, and 128GB, 256GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2TB hybrid microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.23 by 75.93 by 7.79, 7.95 millimeters. And it weighs around 190 grams, and the color options, phantom purple, emerald green, titanium silver colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast flash charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes hybrid dual SIM 5G, dual-band, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, dual stereo speakers with 300% audio booster support, IP64 dust and water resistant, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y300 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 21,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 23,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y300 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.